Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable your Divi Gallery. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you log in is go to Divi Theme Settings and then click on Theme Options. Then under the General tab, you would see Enable Divi Gallery, and then you just click on the button, make sure it says Enabled, and then Save Changes. Now next step is we're going to create a page, so go to create website pages and then click add new. So I'm just going to title this photo gallery, and then you're going to click on the button that says add media, and then over here under the add media it says create gallery, so you just create gallery. So you can upload files if you wish. For now, I'm just going to click on some of the images that we have here already. And then I'm going to create a new gallery. I'm going to insert it. And then let's view it. And there you guys have it. You can add text on the bottom if you would like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.